We're looking for a hole in the sky so they can punch through it. And we're waiting for word from our air boss. The jumpers are away. Clouds making it a little bit challenging today. They're looking for a hole in the sky so they can punch on through. And jumpers are away. Members of the Special Operations Forces Black Daggers headed towards us at 120 miles an hour. And there's 1, 2 good shoots. There's number 3, number 4, and number 5. Off to your left, you'll see 5 good shoots. Members of the Black Daggers making their way towards us. Parachutes you see are Ram Air parachutes. They have a forward flying speed of about 23 to 24 miles an hour. And as you can see, they're controllable. They're able to control the direction of flight as the jumper can pull on control cables, either on the left or right, and allow the parachute to turn in that direction. Singing our national anthem today will be Staff Sergeant Elisa Garcia, Security Forces Airman, Phoenix Raven, and now a cadre for the 436th Airlift Wing. Ladies and gentlemen, our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the veil wilderness fight. For the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say, does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the
Ladies and gentlemen, what a beautiful sight, and we're officially underway in day 2 of Thunder over Dover as members of the Special Operations Forces make their way down. Great landings. And here comes the American flag. If you watch very closely, you'll see the jumper pulling on those control cables. Let's give them a big holler and welcome them back down to the ground. And a big round of applause for our Special Operations Forces, ladies and gentlemen, participating in our opening ceremonies, and we're going to see more of them later on this afternoon. As we are ready for the second day of Thunder over Dover. We had an exciting day yesterday, and we know what you're in store for. You're going to love the